Hello and welcome to my channel, Hugh Money Method. I am Hugh Lee and today I will show you how to do overlay in CapCut. Let's get started. Click on Import to upload the videos that you want to use. Your videos will be uploaded here. Add the background video to your timeline. Drag it down here just like that. This video is too long, so I'm going to trim it. Maybe like so. This is the overlay video I'm going to add to it. As you can see, the overlay video is on the same layer as the background video, but we don't want that. So what we want to do is to move it to its own layers. Click on it, move it to the top, just like that. And now it's on its own layers. I want to trim this one so that they're the same length. The overlay video is right here, but you cannot see the background video. So what you want to do is resize it. There are 4 circles on each corner. Click on it and then resize it. Make it smaller and move it around and move it to the position that you want. Just like that. On the right hand side, you can also scale it by clicking on the scale and zoom in and zoom out. So that's it. That's how you add overlay to your videos. Don't forget to name your videos right here, up here. I'm going to name it CapCut Overlay. And then click on Export. That's it. This is a very short tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials because this channel is created for you, and I will see you on my next video.